Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create home screen folders on your iPhone devices. Okay, so as you see, I already have my iPhone unlocked, so all you need to do to create a folder, just click the application that you would like and hold it. Wait a second, hold it, and then you can get the application to the another one to create a folder. And then as you see, you've created a folder. Then you can actually rename it. If I do it like this, you can rename the folder. And that's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.